Hello, my dear little friends. Myself, Sunidhi Sudhir Jadhav from ZP Primary School, Ramgarh, Building number 2. Today I am going to tell you a new story. The name of my story is When Adversity Knocks. Once upon a time, a daughter complained to her father that her life was miserable and that she didn't know how she was going to make it. She was tired to fighting and struggling all the time. It seems just as one problem was solved, another one soon followed. Her father, a chef, took her to the kitchen. He filled 3 pots with water and placed each on the high fire. Once the 3 pots began to boil, he placed potatoes in one pot, eggs in the second pot, and ground coffee beans in third pot. He then let them sit and boil without saying a word to his daughter. The daughter moaned and impatiently waited, wondering what he was doing. After 20 minutes, he turned off the burners. He took the potatoes out of the pot and placed them in a bowl. He took the eggs out and placed them in a plate. Then he ladled the coffee out and placed it in a cup. Turning to her, he asked, "What do you see?" "Potatoes, eggs, and coffee," she hastily replied. "Look closer," he said, and touched the potatoes. She did and noted that they were soft. He then asked her to take an egg and break it. After pulling off the shell, she observed the hard-boiled egg. Finally, he asked her to sip the coffee. Its rich aroma brought a smile to her face. "Father, what does this mean?" she asked. He explained that the potatoes, the eggs, and the coffee beans had each faced the same adversity, the boiling water. However, each one reacted differently. The potato went in strong and hard, but in boiling water, it became soft and weak. The egg was fragile, with the thin outer shell protecting its liquid interior until it was put in the boiling water. Then the inside of the egg became hard. However, the ground coffee beans were unique. After they were exposed to the boiling water, they changed the water and created something new. "Which one are you?" he asked his daughter. When adversity knocks on your door, how do you respond? Are you a potato, an egg, or a coffee bean? So, the dear little friends, the moral of the story is things happen around us and things happen to us. The only thing that truly matters is your choice of how to react to it and what you make of it. Learn, adapt, and choose to make the best of each experience. Maybe difficulties converted into the great opportunity of your life to improve yourself or prove yourself. Thank you.